How to fix people nearby not loading on Telegram. Now recently, if you're using the newest version of Telegram and you have noticed that the Telegram people nearby feature is not showing up, in today's video I will be going to answer that today. Basically, if we head over to the latest version of Telegram right here, we can then go ahead and see that inside our contacts you cannot go ahead and see the people nearby anymore. Now there are reasons on why Telegram has removed those features. If we then navigate through the search of Google right here, the reason that they have removed the people nearby is that that feature is not being used by less than 0.1% of Telegram users, and it had a lot of issues with bots and scammers. So instead they have replaced that feature with a business nearby button or feature. So if you navigate through your Telegram application right here, and if you cannot go ahead and see the people nearby feature, it means that you are using the latest version of Telegram and you cannot go ahead and revert back to the people nearby feature. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.